farm chores with the kids. Bye! Off. Good work. Or at least good attempt. All right, please grab the rope and bring her back up.
Mom, look, it's a fancy trampoline.
Yep, we still need one more pile. That way Tika doesn't beat anybody up, okay? Grab the rope, please, Rhiannon. Sibling warfare. Rhiannon! That's not a nice way to treat a baby. This is sibling cruelty right here. Thumbs down for inter-sibling violence. There's a Gaby boy. Okay, Gabe, come on. Come on, guys. We still got to do one more pile. We don't want any fighting happening. Right, kids? Yes, that's what we're going to put into it. I'm glad you figured this out. Oh, and there's the pretty Dulcie in the morning sun. Hey, Dulcie. Dulcie. Pretty girl. Rhiannon, stop it, please. Pretty horse. Look at how shiny she is. She's going to be a good horse for somebody. It is November 19th, and it's a snowy morning. I've got the horses up here in the front field. That way they can get some sunshine, and also so that they could get to the hay bale that I wasn't able to roll out of there. Hey, guys. You guys enjoying some sunshine? Yeah? Pretty, pretty boy. Pony. Calhia. Calhia, can I see your face? There we go. Looks like you've got your head up Dayton's butt. Hi, Tika. Tika is wasting away, as you can see. Hey, are you guys fluffy ponies? Fluffy ponies. I think that snow might be these guys' favorite weather. When it's hot, they just want to stand in the shade or lay down flat in the sun. But when it's snowy like this and they're all fluffy, they just like to stand out here, or sometimes they lay down flat in the fluffy snow and roll around. Oh man, I wish this phone had some kind of like image stabilization. Hey, baby Kai. Cairo's coat is growing back, thank goodness. Pretty boy. His lameness seems to be improving a bit, but it's hard to tell. But we did get a fair bit of snow last night. It was coming down in fine powdery flakes, which was nice because it didn't soak my non-waterproof coat. Hey, and the ponies seem pretty happy. Oh, big smiles.